Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel with the new video, new openings and new hopes. Guys, today I'm going to share around 11 to 12 companies openings with you. Most of them for freshers and 2-3 companies are for experienced candidate as well. So do not skip the video or till the end, and I would like to request if you new on the channel, please do subscribe for more job updates related to the software field. Let's start with the first company name. The first company name is Accenture. They are hiring for application development associate experience. They're expecting fresh graduate. So salary range would be 2.6 per lakh per LPA. It's per annum. Okay, lakhs per annum. So job type will be full time, and job location will be Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Mumbai and Kolkata. Okay, job opportunity for freshers. Company name is Accenture. If you are interested for this application development associate, so you need to apply over the link which is given in the description below. Please check out the link in description and apply accordingly. Okay. Let's move on the next company. The next company name is Ahead Websoft Technologies. They are hiring for QA engineer trainee. So experience they are expecting freshers. Job location will be Gurgaon. Salary range for this position is 5 LPA max. Software testing knowledge and training is required. If you are fulfilled and eligible for this position, you need to share your resume on the link which is given in the description below. Please check out the link in description and apply accordingly. If you still have any doubt, you need to ask to anyone to me. So comment box is also open for you, and also you can reach me on Instagram now. Okay, so let's move on the next company. The next company name is IDC Technologies. They are hiring for automation engineer. So job role is permanent. Experience they're expecting 2 to 8 years. Job location will be Noida, or hybrid work it will be refer. So budget is flexible, means as per your knowledge, as per your experience. So budget is will be flexible. So notice period will be immediate to 15 days only. Required skills or mandatory are Selenium with Java, JavaScript, API testing using REST assured. Experience in performance testing will be added advantage. So if you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to share your profile on rima.s@idctechnologies.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay guys, let's move on the next company. The next company name is Concentric Technologies. They are hiring for a senior QA engineer with a minimum 5+ years of experience in manual and automation testing with Selenium is prepared. So job type is will be the full time. Job location will be remote, and Hyderabad based candidates are prepared. Okay, work from home they will prepared also, but Hyderabad candidates are prepared. So if you are not from Hyderabad, so you can change your current and prepared location as Hyderabad and apply for this position. And qualification and qualified and interested applicant may be send their resumes on mzat at cogni under hyphen tech.in. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay guys, let's move on the next company. The next company name is Cly HR. So it might be a consultant or it might be a company. So it's your turn if you want to share your profile or not. So they are hiring for a QA automation engineer. The position name is QA automation engineer, and it's very important guys, while you sending the resume to the recruiter, it should be mentioned in your subject line. So QA automation is the position name. They are expecting JavaScript, API testing and Selenium. Job location will be completely remote, and it's work from home. Experience they are expecting 3+ years. Interested candidate can share their profile on .k@clyhr.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Guys, please check letter by letter spelling before sending the resume to the recruiter. If any letters got wrong, you will get your email bounce back. So please check correct email ID. Okay. Let's move on the next company. The next company name is GSS Corporation Technologies. They are hiring for automation test engineer. They are expecting primary skill, strong experience and REST assured API automation Selenium test ng, I mean BDD or TDD, using a core Java. Must have hands-on or core Java, JavaScript and type scripting experience, which helps in the designing and developing the frameworks. So framework knowledge will be a must. Okay. Secondary skills, they are expecting JMeter, API performance testing. Good to have tool like GitHub and SonarQube. So if you are interested and fulfill this criteria for the QA automation engineer, you need to share your profile on hr@gsscorps.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Guys, please mention the automation test engineer in the subject line when sending the resume to the recruiter. Okay. Let's move on the next company, guys. The next company, it might be a consultant or it might be a company employee. So they are hiring for QA engineer. The position name is QA engineer. It should be, first of all, it should be mentioned in your subject line. So QA engineer, they are hiring. Job title will be QA engineer or front end developer and back end developer, manual and automation testing both. Okay, 2-3 positions they are hiring. Job location will be completely remote. Experience they are expecting minimum 1 year, 1+ years they are expecting. Qualification be BTech, MSc, MTech. Maximum budget for this position is 8 lakh to 17 lakh per annum. Notice period will be 0 to 15 days. A laptop kit will be provided by the company. 5 days working, Saturday Sunday you will get a fixed off. If you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to share your profile on cv.solutions01@gmail.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Guys, important notification. I am not a hiring person. I am just sharing this information to the job seeker. If anyone asks money for the interview, it might be a fake. Do not pay a single rupees to anyone. Guys, do not pay a single rupees to anyone. Okay. So let's move on the next company. The next company name is Teskra. They are hiring for senior DevOps engineer in the AWS cloud. So job location will be permanent, remote. Job title senior DevOps engineer. Experience expecting 4 to 10 years. Job responsibility, experience in DevOps engineer. Work experience in cloud formation in the production environment. Strong knowledge in AWS, Linux. You should know. If you are interested, you can share your profile on this email ID which is showing on the screen. Please check the letter by letter spelling, guys, before sending the resume to the recruiter. I'm requesting you again and again. Okay. Let's move on the next company. The next company name is Hexra. They are hiring for a penetration tester trainee. Title penetration tester trainee. Experience they are expecting 0 to 1 year. Job location will be Pune and it's a work from office only. So skills they are expecting: web application security testing, mobile application security testing, iOS and Android both. The API security testing, network knowledge should known. Qualification: bachelor of degree in computer science, information technology or any technical related field they will be expected. If you have the experience in cyber security like CH or ethical hacking, so it will be plus and added advantage. They will give a refer to you. So if you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to share your profile on this email ID which is showing on the screen. So okay, and before sending this position, you should mention the subject line in your position name in your subject line. The subject line is title is penetration tester trainee. It should be mentioned in your subject line. Okay, guys. Okay, I already told around 10 to 11 companies openings. So go and apply. If you get any doubt, you can reach me on Instagram. You can see my Instagram handle over here, or you can find my Instagram profile link in description. So I'm again one more request, just follow us on Instagram and Telegram as well, because since last week I have posted 30+ openings on Instagram and Telegram. So do follow us on Instagram and Telegram as well. Okay, and about the resume building services, you can find my WhatsApp number on the previous videos if you want to build a resume from me. So please check out the previous video, and if you want to build a resume from me, you can WhatsApp me. Okay, no issue. I can give you the WhatsApp number. This you can see on the screen. Those please ping me those who want to resume building services from me, and please make a note of it. It's a paid service, guys. Okay. Thank you so much for the watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.